DJATV.
Welcome to DJATV.
Chef Hilda Baci don't break Guinness World Record for cooking non-stop over 85 hours. My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to this our channel. If una never subscribe to DJATV, you go get to read and update the shele. Oh yeah, rush now to our YouTube channel, go subscribe and also follow us on our Facebook page as CD Hot. Oh yeah, make we quickly run entirely so you will carry come. This chef with our screen, so Nigeria chef and entrepreneur Hilda Baci, when they popularly know as Hilda Baci, don't break Guinness World Record when she takes stand cook for more than 85 hours, as in the longest cooking hours, not be small. Now Thursday will be 11th May, exactly 4 p.m. Now in this competition take start to. Her aim when this competition starts now to beat 85 hours 45 minutes record when Guinness World Record holder set for her. Now for Amore guiding for inside Lekki for Lagos, this event take place. So the event sef go live for social media, even YouTube sef e dey live. Many celebrity plenty go read the Tiwa Savage different celebrity and artists dey present for this show to come show her love and support. Even the governor of Lagos Baba Jide Sanwo-Olu visit the venue and some other big top politicians. Even Peter Obi wife sef, they say she was there sef to still come show her love and support. Hey my people, not be small thing to stand cook for hours, as in so many hours since Thursday reach now. Not be small thing my people. This cooking competition they say she don't first do am before. This one not be her first. The one wey she first do before na the one they call the face of jollof rice competition in 2021. Say that she first carry she first win at that time. This time around now this cooking when they she take stand cook for over 85 hours, and now she don't break record like this. So my people, not be small thing. Even people come for this video and they see, so different people come. Even yesterday will be Sunday, people see defy the rain self, enter road, go that venue, go show her love and support. Now this one take clearly show say Nigerians, we love ourselves. Forget wetin Nigerians dey pass, forget wetin politicians dey use our eye take see for Nigeria. Nigerians dey love their self, no be small. See as people come out now, come show this lady love, come support her so that she go fit hold her ground, stand, continue, because e no easy. All this love, they say calls even come from different places sef. Vice President of Nigeria call am, different people, even some dancers from her state, Akwa Ibom state, and then this queen, so they come all the way from Akwa Ibom state, come Lagos or Lekki, come show her love. No be small thing, no my people. This one now welcome development to Nigeria, another big plus for Nigeria, as in achievement, not be small. Anyway my people, na the tori wey carry come for una like this be this. Make una drop una comment how una see and reason this whole story, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. Bye.
DJATV.